Hello everybody! For my craft today, I'll be using this piece of wood, this wooden cross, and these 4 pieces of wooden beads. Then I will also use a piece of cardboard. First, I'm going to remove the top sheet, but I will have a part of this that I did not remove the top sheet. So the other part show the corrugated part of the cardboard. And then on the back, I'm going to trace this wooden cross. And I will just leave a little space that is a little wider because I am going to tear the sides and it will not affect the size of the cross. I will cut it first using a pair of scissors, and then once I totally cut it, that will be the time for me to just tear the sides. So you can see a part of it has the top sheet removed and some part did not. It's still there, the top sheet. So once it's done, I really love how it turned out. I am going to just set it aside and I will start to paint this wooden cross with the Burnt Umber by Apple Barrel. I will just apply one coat, and I actually painted the back as well. So now I will start to paint this with the Burnt Umber as well, the cardboard cross. I will of course paint also the sides. Then I will also do the same. I'll paint the wooden beads. And so with the piece of wood that I showed earlier. I actually painted the whole thing, including the bottom, the back of this, because this will serve as a stand for the cross. So I just wipe off the excess paint here, the sides and the front. Then I will start to paint the back as well. So once it's done, I'm going to start this time, just rub the tea light onto the area where I did not remove the top sheet. And I'm going to paint it with the Waverly Ivory. So just lightly brush on the part with the corrugated part of the cardboard. And then just lightly brush this wooden cross as well. I'm using a cheap brush to do that. So I'm drying it now, and using this piece of packaging tape, I will just stick this onto the part where the top sheet is still there. So when I peeled it off, it looks like it's so chippy, and I really love it. I really love how this craft turned out. I hope you love this as well. And as you can see, I am going to start to glue the back of these because I'm going to glue this cardboard cross onto the wooden cross. So just like that. So everything here is optional, everybody. You can use any paint that you like. I'm just showing you how I make it look distressed, how I designed it. And this time I'm going to start to glue all these wooden beads onto the 4 corners of this piece of wood. Actually, this piece of wood is also from Dollar Tree, as like I've mentioned, and it measures about 5.5 by 5.5 inches. So this time it will serve as the stand of the cross, and then using a cheap brush, I'm going to lightly brush this piece with the Waverly ink. Just like that. So it really looks so burnt. I love it. It looks so darker. I did not put any more paint. It's just like I'm cleaning my brush onto there. So it's not really totally black in person. It has a little of the brown side because of the Burnt Umber by Apple Barrel. Then I will also paint these two pieces of tumbling blocks. I painted this with the Burnt Umber by Apple Barrel. Then I'm going to wipe off the excess paint. Then I will dry it. So once it's dry, I will just apply this E6000 for permanent bond together with the hot glue. I will make the cross stand. So to make it sturdy, I'm using these two tumbling blocks. This is also from Dollar Tree. So I just put it right there at the center, and I just sandwich, you know, just like sandwich the cross. So now it's standing already, and I know this is gonna be sturdy. I will start to paint the back. So once it's painted, I have this rag actually from Home Depot. I just cut it, and then I'm going to glue it there. And it really looks so nice because I already coffee stained this. And if you like to know the grunge mix of how I coffee stained the cloth, please, you can just drop a message on the comment section and I'm going to send it to you. So I just twisted the back so that the front side of the cloth will show. And then now I'm going to arrange this moss right on the bottom. So I am trying to make something like a distressed cross with the flowers because it is spring. And I was really thinking of posting this online yesterday because it's Easter Sunday, but I forgot to post it. So here it goes. Better late than nothing at all. So I hope you like this craft, everybody. I'm just arranging some flowers there from Temu. And like I said, it's your choice of artificial flowers, whatever you like there. If you have some leftovers, feel free to arrange it right at the bottom of this cross. So it's a very simple craft, everybody. I know you're gonna love this because I really love how it turned out. And then now I am starting to just lightly brush this with the dark antique wax by Behr that I bought from Home Depot, and just lightly brush the artificial flowers there so it looks so distressed. So if you don't like distressed look, don't use the wax. So this is my finished craft. If you like this craft, everybody, please go to my main page and please click like and please give me a follow. Thank you all so much, everybody. Such a simple craft for you to make. And I hope you love watching this video as well. So till next time, everybody, like I said, hope you like this craft and thank you again. Very lovely craft. I just love it. So that's the finished craft, everybody. Till next time, friends.